for coming. I'm so sorry I'm late. Oh my gosh, I'm just not feeling myself today. But I really wanted to read the super chats today because it's my job and I take it very, very seriously. So we will be reading the super chats today for sure. What do you mean? Why are you guys saying who are you? It's me, silly goose. It's Enna Alouette from NIJISANJI EN's Third Wave Etheria. What's happening? Oh, you think I'm cute? Thank you. Sorry, my voice is a little weird today, so I might have to mute myself to kind of cough sometimes, but don't worry, I'm feeling a lot better. But yeah, I wasn't actually supposed to stream today, but I really wanted to spend time with all of you guys today. It's just been so lonely, you know. I've been feeling really insecure about a lot of things, and I wanted to talk to you guys about it, you know? Because who else would I bring my problems to except for you guys? I don't really have any friends or anybody close that I can talk to, so you guys are basically the only people I can go to when I have problems in my life. So, yeah, I really appreciate everybody here for coming and supporting me, and I'm really sorry for taking so much of your time when it wasn't even on the schedule. The background music is really creepy, but it's so cute and beautiful. It's music box style, so I thought music box style would really showcase the atmosphere of today's stream because I feel like we're gonna have a really, really wholesome moment today. So I woke up this morning and I was just not feeling right, you know? I felt really insecure about something. I was thinking, hey, I've been streaming for months and almost a year, and I don't really quite know who I am anymore. You know what I mean? Do you kind of get it? Just trying to be somebody every single day. It kind of distorts my reality a little bit, you know? So I wanted to ask you guys, what kind of person do you think I am? Make it stop. Why are you guys panicking so much? I'm the same as I've always been, just a little bit more vulnerable. I'm a bird? Guys, you know I'm really afraid of birds, right? By the way, I just want you guys to know I have a really important question to ask you guys. But I'm not gonna bring it up until the very end of the stream, okay? So I'd really, really appreciate it if you guys could all just stay until the very end, just for today. For today, I just want to be a little bit more selfish than usual. No, I didn't hit my head, guys. I'm perfectly fine. I've always sounded like this. Anyways, you guys are freaking out a little bit too much. It's kind of freaking me out. Well, I don't know what to say. You guys are acting as if I'm a different person, and it's making me feel even more insecure. This is not the songbird I know. Guys, you know what? Forget it. I'm not gonna talk to you guys about my problems. I thought it would be a good idea and a nice bonding moment to go to you guys and talk about my insecurities and vulnerabilities, but you know what? It doesn't really feel like you guys are accepting right now. So let's just go straight to the super chats. Alright guys, we finally got the supas out of the way. I really appreciate each and every single one of you who sent supas and sent your positive love and support to me. I feel it, and it's making me into the most happiest burb you'll ever meet in your life. And I hope you guys know that after today, I really do love each and every single one of you. Thank you guys so much. I don't really know how to appreciate you guys, and the reason why I did a really spontaneous stream today was because, you know how I told you guys that I was feeling a little bit insecure? I just didn't really know if you guys actually liked me for who I was. Or who I am, I mean. You know what I mean? I know sometimes maybe I say some bad words, or maybe I accidentally insult one or two of you guys, but you know that it's all a joke, right? So, I just wanted to say, chat, that it seems something's kind of wrong. But don't worry, I'm still here. I think there's just some technical difficulties with either OBS or YouTube, as usual. No biggie, guys, don't worry about it. It'll pass. Chat, I just wanted to ask you guys, do you guys really love me? Because I really love each and every single one of you, and I just wanted to confirm if the feelings were mutual. How about I make a poll asking how many of you guys really, really, truly love me from the bottom of your heart? How about that? Let me type that right now. Do you guys love Enna Alouette? There.
I'll wait. Come on, guys. That's all? That's all? I thought you guys loved me even more than that. I thought you guys would support me no matter what.
What do you mean I'm looking a little different today? Sometimes I just don't have a really nice face day, but everything's the same on the inside. I'm the same.
What do you mean I'm scaring you guys? That's not
Fair. You told me that you'd love me no matter
what I did or do. Was it a lie? Did you lie to me?
I don't like being lied to.
How can you guys make it up to me?
Tell me I'm pretty. Tell me I'm kind. Tell me I'm wholesome. Tell me that I'm good at FPS shooter games. Tell me that I am the best thing that ever happened to your life. What? I'm being weird? What do you mean?
How could you do this to me? You made me like this. You told me you loved me. You told me